For roof shingle repairs, choose a caulk rated specifically for roofing and exterior use to ensure long-term waterproofing and elasticity. Roofing silicone that is formulated for exterior use offers excellent adhesion to asphalt shingles and retains flexibility through temperature swings, so apply it to clean, dry surfaces and press firmly into gaps with a putty knife, tooling the bead so it bonds to both shingle faces. Latex roof caulk is easier to tool and paint over and is suitable for cracks and small seam repairs, but will not match silicone for extreme longevity. So use it where painting and appearance matter and recheck every 2 to 3 years. Polymer-based roofing sealants that list compatibility with asphalt or composition shingles combine flexibility and strong adhesion and are a good middle ground for flashing patches and nail holes. Follow the manufacturer curing time and avoid application in wet or freezing conditions. Always remove loose granules and old deteriorated caulk with a stiff brush and, if needed, a plastic scraper, because adhesion to a contaminated surface is the most common cause of early failure. For joints larger than 1/4 inch, consider backer rod placement before caulking to ensure proper bead geometry and to avoid 3-sided adhesion, which restricts movement and leads to tearing. Store cartridges in a cool, dry place and use within the shelf life indicated on the tube because expired products can skin over inside the cartridge and fail to cure properly. 3 common mistakes are using indoor or general-purpose caulk that cannot withstand ultraviolet exposure and thermal expansion, which leads to cracking and leaks. The fix is to replace suspect material with a product labeled for roofing and exterior use. A second issue is applying caulk over wet or dirty shingles, which prevents bonding. Always wait for a dry day, clear debris, and allow a cleaned area to fully dry before applying sealant. A third problem is over-reliance on caulk for structural gaps or repeatedly reapplying over deteriorated shingles rather than addressing underlying damage. If shingles are buckling, curling, or granule loss is severe, repair or replace the damaged shingles first, then seal small gaps as a finishing step. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for roofing tasks and offers a discussion community where we and other members share real-world advice on materials and contractors. We help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners seeking roof repair services and provide a forum for practical tips and local recommendations.